If you're a Facebook and Messenger user and want to delete conversations from both sides, but aren't sure how, follow these steps. Open the Messenger app on your mobile device. You can tap on the Messenger icon or search for it manually by swiping left or right until you find it. Once the Messenger app is open, select the conversation you want to delete. Tap on the specific person whose messages you want to remove. In the conversation, tap on the message you want to delete permanently. After tapping on the message, you'll see an interface. Tap on the More option. From the options provided, select Remove. If you want to remove the message only for yourself, tap on Remove for You. If you want to delete it for everyone, tap on Remove for Everyone. If you don't see the option to remove for everyone, it might be due to an outdated app version. In that case, update your Messenger app through the Play Store. By following these steps, you can delete Facebook conversations from both sides. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.